car. That costs worse than point a year in a row. You're supposed to be behind that car so that when you apply the brakes, you're able to stop without hitting them. Used to be car lane every so many miles you're driving per hour so that you can stop. And the same thing should be true if you're driving a bicycle. Fast as nice. Sorry. How much were your medical bills?
$1,168.67.
How much are you suing for?
I think it's great. I think, slowing down is sticking her with the bills with bad karma and then justice. I feel sorry for him in circumstances.
I said we should meet and discuss it.
I didn't want to discuss the bills with him.
And she said Les was going to give her a check.
I didn't want to hear a song.
In half an hour, Dermot will be here to sift through the dirty laundry of more wedded couples. The marriage referees, unlike Donkey Kong, after one more trip to Judy's courtroom.
ITV Daytime is sponsored by RedBusBingo.com.
Conflict in the classroom.
It is class.
Right.
Was it your impression that he did that on purpose?
There's no way it's not clear.
The first time was his fault.
Why didn't you apologize?
I didn't feel like it was perfect to apologize.
But what happened next
He pushed me when I tried to walk around. He should just let it go.
was no accident.
And?
That's when I punched him.
Man, what? Don't make excuses for him.
Judge Judy. You are about to enter the courtroom of Judge Judith Scheinman. The people are real. The cases are real. The rulings are final. This is Judge Judy. Tim McLaughlin is suing the mother of his son's schoolmate, Danette Rippin, for the cost to fix his son's glasses. Tim says Danette's son punched his boy in the face. All right.
Constitutional process is real counted in McLaughlin. You're welcome to as far as it's sworn out.